Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix can't continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to install the Roblox player and you are seeing the error can't continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. Guys, these problems mostly occur when you have opened the multiple installer of Roblox. Suppose if you have already opened once the Roblox installation file and you are running again and again, so in background the Roblox installation file will be running, so you are unable to install the Roblox. This is the one cause of the error, and the another cause of this error is if you have downloaded the Roblox installation corrupted file from any untrusted sites. You can see this type of issue for this. And the third reason is you need to check whether your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes this may occur because of the poor internet connection. And the fourth reason is you need to check whether your C drive or Windows drive has a sufficient space, because Roblox needs some maximum space to run this installation file. If this all is working fine, then you have to first restart your PC and check whether it is working or not. After restarting your PC, still it is not working, then you have to open the task manager, right click on the taskbar, click on task manager. Here you need to find the Roblox. Suppose if this is your Roblox, if you are seeing multiple Roblox files, you have to untask all of them. Right click on that, then click on untask. Again right click on the Roblox, then click on untask. After doing this, just close this window and check whether it is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox. For that you just need to click on start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel, click on uninstall a program. If you are not seeing this uninstall a program, here you need to select view by as category. Then you can see this type of window. Then you will find this option uninstall a program. You need to just click on this. After that you need to find Roblox. You can see a Roblox. Right click on that, then click on uninstall. After uninstalling all of this, restart your PC, then open the Chrome browser, then go to the roblox.com. Or you can just type Roblox download. Just download the latest version of the installer from here, then try to install it. After download and installation, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix can't continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.